Hey, everybody, this is Dr. J. Kamal, sitting live from Long Island, New York, where it's another very hot and humid day. This
But
time I
that's it.
was
I think
smart. I didn't even
today's
bother
the
going
last.
to the beach.
Today's the
Did you
last
go
hot
out?
day. Tomorrow. Yeah, I've been out a couple of times.
I don't know what's wrong with my microphone. It breaks up.
Yeah,
You were,
I've been outside a few times today, a couple of times.
so I did a lot of buying and you did a lot of buying today.
Yeah, I thought there was a couple of bargains. Yes.
So we want to review for our viewers what we did today.
I bought IBM. Uh, I bought Lilly. I bought bmnr. I bought. That's it. That's what I bought today. But I bought earlier, a couple of days ago, btbt and bbai and qs.
Okay, so that's you're speculating.
Right.
I, I'm speculating with bmnr as well. I have SBT and btbt. I got all three of them. Those are the
Cool.
big three. Ethereum, treasuries. So I got them all. I didn't think we would meet today. I thought we'd wait till Thursday, but not sure about Thursday, and I'm not doing much today, so figured we might as well. It was a crazy day today with the green, red, green. I don't know what color my screen was with the Fed.
When you mix green and red, I think you get purple or something.
I don't know. But I was having a lot of green and red today.
Yeah.
Who's with us today? Oh, David from California, I think. I believe so.
Hi, Dave.
Yeah. Dave, usually it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, but I was just explaining we're on Wednesday today because I'm not sure about tomorrow. It's listed.
So the main
It should be
catalyst today
listed.
was the interest, right? The no change in interest rates.
Yeah, no change as expected. And Powell was very stubborn in the interview, in the remarks, not giving way at all, data dependent and all of that. No hint of softening. I
Yeah.
think he's rebelling against Trump pushing him.
Yeah. I'm not sure about that, but I think he's doing a good job in my opinion.
Yeah, I think he made one mistake, right, with inflation waiting too long.
Right. But my thing is they reported that the economy is doing good. It's growing like 3-something%. So
Yeah,
there was no need.
the
There was no
economy.
need to lower the interest.
They say it's showing some signs of slowing, but nothing serious. And
Right.
and wages are still growing faster than inflation, so that's good. I don't
Right.
know. I mean, you got to get some market pullbacks. Maybe this is the beginning of one. Nothing goes straight up, even if it's going to go to 750. Doesn't go right. It doesn't go in a straight line. Oh, I wanted to chart something. I don't know what, but let me go into it. I think I'll chart the indices and maybe the ones we talked about that we bought.
Yeah.
I have some charts up. We'll see what I got. My favorite chart clearly dipped below.
It's a bellwether.
So maybe we're going back to that 626 or 617.
So you do not want to
One
modify that
one
one.
of those or as low as a 50, which is at about 609, 610.
Do you see those
Any
two
of those.
candles? Do you see those two candles in the middle of June?
Yeah, I see them. That they're perfectly
So
good
if
support.
you change the line to hit those two candles, it would be different. You would be okay, I think.
Yeah, you can always redraw it differently, 10 different ways. Or if I just made this one parallel, made a channel
That's what
instead
I'm
of
thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
trying for a trend line.
Yeah, something like that.
Parallel would give you something like that. Yeah, I mean, basically we're in an uptrend, but we could pull back to a little bit. Not much. I think any pullback will be bought. That's what I think.
I think the market is just temporarily reacting to this no change in interest, and I think it will pick up tomorrow.
I think so too. Well, very often after the Fed meeting, it's the down Thursday, up, down Wednesday, up Thursday, and Friday.
Right.
So that's, yeah.
I mean, the market
So we might,
is already the SPY is already positive after hours, like 3 points up after
oh,
hours.
that's great. That's really good. All right. So I'm not negative at all. I'm just thinking that we could pull back 3%, 5%, worst case, 6%.
Could you click on the word SPY on top because your doesn't reflect that? Yeah, if you see how it is red and red, but if you click on it or refresh it,
I clicked on it.
you see how, oh, okay. For me, it shows 3 points up after hours. I don't know why.
Yeah, now it comes out. But then when I go to this chart, you lose. I don't know why either. Oh, let's keep going. Bitcoin.
Okay.
Bitcoin is continuing to play within its zone. I don't care really it's boring, up and down between the lines. It won't be boring once it breaks north or south, but right now it's boring. You can play it between the lines, small trades, I guess. But it's clearly continuing in that direction. It could go a long time before breaking out. It's kind of boring. This is the BlackRock ETF for Ethereum. It's got a very nice exponential move, and it's continuing. It's not slowing. I mean, it's got to give back at some point. At some point, when the market drops, it will drop down to fill this gap. You think so? At $26? I think
I believe
so.
so. I believe so. There's a bunch of gaps. There's a few gaps there.
Maybe not tomorrow, but I think, if they don't go straight up, nothing goes straight up. Can't defy gravity forever. So right here, I think it'll drop down to that eventually. It might go up another, who knows, 5 points. But when the market pulls back, it'll pull back too. Meanwhile, I'm not giving a top to this because I don't know where the top is. That's why I bought bmnr, because I don't know where the top is, and this might take me there. This was super high. It came back down to earth, bounced off yesterday's lows, and I think the direction is up.
I bought a lot today.
Why did you? Yeah,
I just followed
it actually closed. What did it close down? 3 points.
I bought it twice. My average is 34.47.
I don't even know what my average is, but it's got to be higher than this. That's okay.
Higher than what?
I'll add. This must have happened at the end of the day. Last I looked was 34.
Your
So
chart is not updating for some reason.
it's not what?
It's not updated.
Oh, really? I got to refresh.
It's 34.40 right now,
Let me
and with
refresh.
after hours it's 35.26.
So I must have yesterday's. Does that do it? No.
Do Control R. Control R.
Control R.
Here you go.
Yep, 34. Yeah. And look at it after hours.
Yeah, after hours it's up.
Up after hours.
I think that's probably
All right, it's more like it.
goodbye.
That's more like it, you know.
Yeah.
I like that number better.
When in
I
doubt,
wonder
do
if
Control R.
I don't know if this was updated. I don't know if anything was updated.
Yeah, do Control R. It updates.
Yeah, this is the latest, I think.
Yep.
And the S&P, Control R.
You see the S&P? It's up 3 points after hours. That's what I was talking about.
Ah, yes. Very nice. And we're up to bmnr we looked at. SMH, the semiconductors. NVIDIA made a new all-time high. And that
Yeah, I
lifted
noticed.
Van Eyck up, right? Nice move today.
Yeah.
So not only did I make on NVIDIA, I made on this one.
I sold this like at
And this one I think
285.
is going to continue its advance. Really. I think this one is going to go to 320.
Wow.
320, 340. It's good legs. Along with NVIDIA going to 220. That's my call on that. Do you want to get some chicken wings? What do you say we get some chicken wings for dinner?
That's a
Who
great
eats
movement.
this stuff? $77. Who eats it? I never ate it in my life.
Me either. But I bought and
ever
sold
eat
this
that
multiple
stuff?
times in the past, and I made money on it. And today made a huge move, like 70 something dollars
It's a
today.
mover, right?
Yeah.
Look at the chart. It looked like death. It looked like death. It was just dropping to right to the 100. That was the key. I mean, there
And
was
then
a
shot up today.
death spiral on earnings, I guess.
Yeah, it is. Do you see the volume?
Amazing. Total. Yeah, huge volume. I see that green thing.
Whoever was
And
shorting this,
where's the RSI? The
whoever was
RSI is
shorting,
approaching overboard, but
yeah,
you probably can get a few more points if you're greedy on this one.
probably.
But I wouldn't be greedy. I'd take the money and run,
Yep.
personally. What about Meta and Meta after hours up 10%, right? What is that, 9%? Up 9% after hours. That's some move also. And Microsoft also.
That's crazy.
The market's going to be very strong tomorrow.
It will be strong the remainder of the remainder of the week.
Look at Microsoft, 7% up. Nice moves.
Do you see? I mean, that's an unbelievable trend line. Do you see that?
It is unbelievable. Microsoft has been amazing. Microsoft and Meta, the two M's, leading the charge of the Mag 7. I mean, you can compare this to Meta, yeah, but you can't compare it to any of the others they don't hold snuff. Amazon is doing good, but nothing like this. These two are the best in terms of the chart. What other Mag 7? Apple is going to report tomorrow, I think. I don't know what
Apple's
to make of. What do you make of this chart? Do you think Apple has good earnings tomorrow?
I don't know. It doesn't look good to me. Look, do you
It's
see it
very
after hours? Even it's red after hours. Do Control R.
Control R. Yeah, but it's contained, within that two lines trading range.
Yeah.
I lost my lines. I don't know where my lines went, Kamal.
I don't know either.
Somebody, somebody's, somebody stole my lines. That's one line. I'll put them back. That's two lines. There you go. So it's in a narrow trading range, right?
Yeah.
I think it busts out of our trading range one way or the other tomorrow. Big move up or down. Not going to be little.
So what do you think? Up or
I
down?
think a positive up, up, north of 215. How about 219?
Interesting.
I'm an optimist. I did sell a little bit of my Apple, but I still have a lot. What's the other one reporting tomorrow? Amazon or Google? I think it's Google. Maybe it's Google and Amazon, not Apple. I can't remember. I think it might be Google reporting tomorrow. Google has been doing pretty well.
Yes.
Did they report already? Maybe they reported. So then it's not Google. It must be Apple. AAPL.
They reported 2 days ago.
Apple is the one I just gave my prediction. So what other Mag 7 am I forgetting? Tesla, the only one.
Is she in the Mag 7? I didn't know that.
Google was one of the. Yeah, Tesla's a Mag 7. Did they report already?
Yeah, they did,
I
and
think
they
they
missed.
reported too.
They missed. You
Yeah,
remember?
they missed. Yeah, and Google beat. Tesla missed. So it was one I'm missing. I didn't say 7 of them. Amazon, they didn't report. Oh, that's some beautiful looking chart. You gotta love it. I said they beat. They always beat. They don't always go up, but they always beat lately. So they could be beat and not go up, but I think it'll go up.
Can you
I
check
don't
Lily?
know if that
I bought Lily today at 7761.
what stock.
Lily. Al-Y.
Eli, we were talking about that the other day. Yeah, that's a good spot to get in, right at 760. Yeah, you got in at the bottom. Should I do
761. 761.
after hours a little lower? I don't think it means much.
I bought it at
Got good support,
761.
very good support right where you are.
And
You know,
IBM. So I bought IBM 260.
and where did they close?
Right around there. But it went down after hours. Yeah. My average is like 260. I bought it a couple of times. My average is 260.
This one is definitely going to fill that gap. I mean, it could go. It hit the. This is good. It hit the 150 and bounced. You see that yellow line? That's very good. I think
You
it's
mean,
going to bounce. I think it'll do not much for a while and then shoot up.
yeah, it's building a
So
base. Like you see the last five candles. I think
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
base.
I agree. Building a base. Is there any that requested or that I mentioned and I forgot to do?
You did wing PANW. PANW.
PanW. They're buying CyberArk, and it's not well received by Wall Street. I think they're paying 20 billion, a lot of billions, something like that. So it's off $10 today. You've always been lucky with this stuff. I know that. It looks
I don't
like
have.
it may have bottomed today, or it may not. It may come all the way down to this gap at 165. Would you be a buyer at 165?
Definitely.
Without a doubt, right?
Definitely. I don't think it's going to go that low.
It could fill the gap. Probably not, but it could. If it goes down that low, I'm a buyer.
The issue,
All right, we did good.
it went down below all the moving averages.
We did good today.
Yes, we did.
Short, short and sweet, right?
Yes, I'm expecting a green day tomorrow and Friday.
I agree. And Friday.
Yeah,
And then we'll worry about next week on Friday. All right,
correct.
everybody. Thanks for coming. Future thoughts. Give me anything. A pick.
I'm thinking green next 2 days, and I think the new change in interest rates is a good sign, a confidence sign in the economy.
Right. Okay. So you're still bullish right
Yes,
now.
I'm bullish. Yep.
But you'd be buying SPY, not selling it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If you, I'm not saying you are buying SPY, but
No, I'm not buying it. I buy
what
stocks. I buy
I'm
indexes.
I'm thinking of adding to SMH, especially if there's a little pullback. To subscribe, tell your friends. Adios, amigos.
Bye.